Before you begin, remove the access panel and the front bezel. Note, the USB-C 3.1 Gen 2 charging port is a configurable option for the HP Z2 SFF G4 workstation PC and will not be available on all models. Removal. Rotate the drives cage in an upward position. Disconnect the USB-C board cable from its connector on the motherboard. Remove the USB-C board cable from the routing channel on the chassis. Press the locking tab to release the USB-C board from the chassis. Carefully remove the USB-C board from the opening in the chassis. Carefully guide the USB-C board cable out of the opening in the chassis. Replacement. Carefully guide the USB-C board cable into the opening in the chassis. Push the USB-C board into the opening in the chassis until it is fully seated. Route the USB-C board cable into the routing channel on the chassis. Connect the USB-C board cable into its connector on the motherboard. Rotate the drives cage to the downward position.